Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. In this lecture, we will understand what is Ajax and why we use Ajax. Well, Ajax is a short form of asynchronous JavaScript and XML. With Ajax, you can send data to a server, you can retrieve data from a server asynchronously without even interfering the display and behavior of the existing page. Yes, friend. Now, what does this mean? Actually, before the arrival of this wonderful Ajax technique, every time for retrieving data from server or for sending data to the server, the page was getting refreshed every time, which kind of looks annoying. Thanks to Ajax, which makes our life lot easier. Ajax is a combination of HTML, CSS, Ajax technique itself, and also a server side file. It can be a simple document file like a simple txt file. It can be a server scripting language file, say a PHP file or an ASP file. I mean, a file which exists inside only the server. Now, in this whole section, you will learn more about Ajax, where you will have complete understanding of how it works, how to use it, etc. We will explore everything step by step. Yes, friend. And it has a wonderful thing. Remember this term XML HTTP request object. Yes, friend. This is the main thing which helps us to communicate with the server. Just remember this thing. This is the main important stuff. Yes, friend. Well, so here I'm concluding this lecture. In our next lecture, we will explore some examples of Ajax which will help you to understand Ajax a little bit better. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.